The upcoming segment discuss content that is of adult nature. The views and opinions expressed are not that of the SABC and are that of participating contributors and listeners, and do not reflect that of the official policy or position of Metro FM.
We are ready. You've been on standby. Anonymous is here. 24 minutes after 10 o'clock. Metro FM is exactly where you want to be. It's Bring On Anonymous. Good morning, Anonymous.
Morning, how are you?
Good, thanks to you, Anonymous.
I'm alright.
Ooh, okay. Feel like today you're going to let it all out, and that's what we're asking for. Anonymous, I'm going to read the house rules, and then we will continue and hear what advice you need this morning. Anonymous, respect is the foundation of our conversation. Please maintain respectful language. Refrain from any swearing or use of profanities. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility, Anonymous, is to extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people, the person you'll be speaking about. Anonymous, do you agree?
I agree.
Thank you very much. Naked DJ's here. Somizi's enjoying his time in Cape Town. But we're here. We're here. Talk to us.
Yeah, I'm in a bit of a situation. I met this guy in late 2018. We flirted for 4 months. Then we decided to date in 2019. Then we dated. Everything was fine. The things were happening. Before then, I was in a relationship, I can say, but it has ended in 2017, but I was still staying with that partner, which is the father of my daughter. So what happened was, while we were still staying together, we had our differences. But we kept on staying together. The guy was not working by then. He's still not working even now. But yes, we stayed together. Then I met this guy. He met someone else. We actually moved on while still staying together. Then I decided in 2019 that I do no longer want to stay with him due to some disrespect that was happening in the house. Then we had a family meeting because the guy lobolat and that we resolved the issue by just calling the family meeting. Then we decided that we're parting our ways. He went his way, I went mine. Continued with the guy that I met in 2018. It happened that when I met the guy, in fact, when we started dating, he was in a long-distance relationship, which he disclosed later in our relationship, maybe 4 or 5 months later, then he disclosed that I'm seeing this kind of a person, that the person is staying somewhere in another province. So I worked together with the guy. Then it happened along the way, the same year, in 2020, the long-distance relationship girl got pregnant. Then the COVID happened. But this relationship, it's something that I don't understand even today. The guy, I'm not sure when is he talking to the girl from that other province, or I can say the girlfriend, but they somehow talk. While she was still pregnant, I found out when she was 8 months pregnant that she was pregnant. I confronted the guy. The guy said he was afraid to lose me. That's why he didn't want to tell me about that. And he's not even sure that the child is his. Okay,
he's
forward.
Not sure what? Anonymous?
Pardon?
You said he's not sure of?
The child.
How the child was made.
Pardon?
You said he's not sure of how the child was made.
No, if the child is his. Because remember, these people only meet once a year, I can say, in Jan. That's when the girl conceived.
Okay.
Yes. And then now, the child is there. The guy has 2 kids from his previous relationships. So now this one is a 3rd child. Okay, we dated, everything was fine. But now, all of a sudden, he goes AWOL on me. after I moved, like we were staying in the same location, and then I moved, bought a house somewhere else, but it's still the same area, maybe 8 kilometers away from where I was staying before. So now he's staying this side, I'm staying that side. He's no longer coming to me. He sometimes doesn't talk to me. Jay, he's that guy. But when you see me at work, it's as if everything is fine.
Oh.
You
work together.
Yes, we can work together.
Okay.
Yes. So now...
Anonymous, can I stop you right there where you work together? Let me quickly go to the news headlines. We're going to come back, okay?
All right.
Thank you very much. Khopedi Delagwe, the news headlines, 10:30.
Celebrating Africa in all its brilliance with a station that's been part of the journey for 40 years. Metro FM. It's where you want to be.
It's 31 minutes after 10 o'clock. Anonymous on the line, the Naked DJ right here in studio. You're on standby to advise Anonymous. So if you missed it, Anonymous met a guy in 2018. They started dating 4 months later, which was in 2019. When she met this guy, she was in a relationship that was basically falling apart. It eventually ended. She continued with the guy she met in 2018. Early on in their relationship, he confessed to her that he is in a long-distance relationship with another woman who lives in another province. He initially said he'd leave the other woman, but later on, this woman fell pregnant with his child. They were able to move on from basically the situation. Their relationship has been a bit weird, and he has been a bit offish towards Anonymous. They work together, also something she added. Anonymous, did I get anything wrong? Are we good?
We're good.
We're good, okay. So
Yes.
you work together.
Yes.
Let's take it from there. Continue, please.
Yeah, so we work together, and when we're at work, everything is as if we partners, like we happy couple, I can say. But when we're at home, the guy wouldn't even pick up the calls when I call him. He will call me when he wants to. He'll come to my place whenever he wants. But if I go to his, okay, I'll find him at home. But, you know, when there's tension. Before that, the lady who got pregnant by his child, okay, he told the family at home. Then the traditional way happened. They went, the elderly people went to the girl's place to see if the child, and then they said the child is his, okay? Then he acknowledged everything, and then he was not taking care of the child. I always said to the guy, pay maintenance for the child. Remember, if the child is that young, and then you're only paying about 800 rand, we will disagree on that, knowing the expenses of the child, but he didn't see any problem with that. He was like, okay, I'm doing it for the sake of doing it because you're saying I must do it. And I'll personally go and deposit the money to the girl, regardless of whatever, because I love the guy, so I loved him with everything that he has in his plate.
Sorry to hear that.
Sure.
The family will call if they don't find him on his phone. They will somehow, I don't know how they got my numbers, but they will call. At the same time, when the girl, they're from the same province, wherever they come from. So remember, we have that thing whereby they'll say you need to marry the same. I don't know, if you are Tswana, you marry a Tswana. If you get that. So now the guy seemed like he was not interested in marrying the girl or whatsoever, but the family wanted him to be like with the girl. So these people only meet once a year in January. The girl, where she works, in December they close, and then she goes home. On her way from home to where she works, she will come and stay here for a week. When she's here, I need to be mute I can say, for that week of January. Then the whole year I'm with the guy 24/7. So now the thing is, I'm not sure anymore. I mean, that thing happens, but from 2021, 22, and 23, the girl didn't come this side in Jan. I don't know why, but for some reason they were not in talking terms or whatever. So now the guy is no longer working. He's frustrated. Okay, when you just lost your job, everyone will go that phase. So I'm trying to be there for the guy, but he always push me away, like as if he doesn't want me to be around him or he doesn't want me to assist. So I'm like, I don't know, what is it that I'm doing here? Am I fighting a losing battle, or what's happening? I just need some advices whether I should just let him be there where he is, let him solve his problems, his financial problems, whatever problems he has right now, like as we speak, or should I be there until he gets back to, until he gets maybe another job?
Yo, Anonymous.
Mm.
You know, when you say, am I fighting a losing battle? No?
Mm-hmm.
Anonymous, you're not even in a relationship, okay? The battle is in Iran, Strait of Hormuz. Ile, wena, slelila, nawe, emzansi. Africa chipembe, Africa burra. How are you we talking about fighting battles? There's a war there where now uyazifaka. You know? Anonymous, you are not in a relationship. You know, have you ever walked and then like you step on a gum by mistake? It's chappies. And it's annoying, isn't it?
Yes.
When you are that chappies in that guy's life. Like uyazifaka where you are not needed, where you are not wanted. You are including yourself in G.
Shame.
But you know, the funny thing about this naked. Okay,
Let her finish. No,
like
finish.
kumnandi throughout the year, like Jan to December. You know,
Anonymous.
lovely.
Anonymous.
But
Wait, naked.
Yeah.
Finish, Anonymous.
yeah, like lovely, but the guy is the guy who understand that.
Anonymous.
Utilana, I've got lanto man.
Anonymous.
Mm?
You see, yabona inja yasekasi
Ah.
nakudlula imoto. It has so much fun, like chasing the car. It's having fun. Kumnandi. But that car won't park in the yard. Because the car doesn't belong there. Now, Anonymous, we've already told you, Uguti, you are like ichapis at the bottom of a shoe. And then Manje, come on. We've given you the analogy of that Lela Pragana Ekasi chasing after a dog that doesn't even belong to the master. The dog is also having fun, isn't it?
Yes.
Are you that dog, Anonymous?
It looks like that.
Because they don't,
wow.
they don't even give that dog treats. Anonymous, you are not in the battle. You are not fighting a losing battle. Like he's fighting his battle. He's even unemployed and he still doesn't want you around.
That's the thing. Like, I honestly don't understand. Like,
Akakufuni girl. Yeah, let me translate. He only wants you when he wants it.
Kusho ukuthi yena udlala ngento because I mean we are women. Kumele si
Don't put other women. There's strong-willed women out there. There are women out there that know their worth. And yena udlala ngawe ngoba na udlala ngayo. Udlala ngekhekhe lakho. You are
But now, look, your father must be not.
You're not what?
So look, Dalagad.
Oh, you guys are not sexually. You're not intimate?
I'm sure once, I don't know in how many months.
Wow.
It's because, because I'm always busy. I'm always at work and.
Anonymous, you used to work with the man. He still didn't give it to you in your office. Like, come on.
No, like the environment doesn't allow.
Anonymous, trust me. If you want something, you're gonna get it. Anonymous. Hi, man. Anonymous, let's grow up too. Anonymous, callers will call you, ne? And they will tell you with how many, they will confess how many of them are having sex at work right now as they listening to Ask a Man. Because
not everywhere, guys.
They want it anonymous. Wena bebangafuni.
Remember, we work in shifts.
Yeah, he
and
doesn't even want to shift
he goes
it.
out.
Yeah, he doesn't even want to go in when you go
2 hours
out.
and then he goes off.
Anonymous, he wants to go off all the time. He never wants to be on.
I think it.
Anonymous, come on. Anonymous, when you want something that bad, you get it.
Hey.
I'm still on that guy is guying.
Yeah.
Guy is guying you.
Ugaya in.
Guys.
Gaya in.
Gaya ingqondo yakho. Anonymous, you but once in a while, once every 6 months. And you were even
I'm not dead.
Anonymous, you were laughing about the woman that gets it once a year in January. Where now we told her once every 6 months, and he lives 8 kilometers away from where you live. He lives in the same township as you do. You guys work under the same roof. Well, used to.
Remember, and
I don't remember. I don't know. I was not there.
We stayed together.
Yes.
That time, it was happening like every day. I can say it was nice. Once I moved from where I was staying, that's where everything fell.
Yes. Let me tell you, Yena, he hasn't stopped having sex. It's just he's no longer having sex with you. Don't think Yena he stopped having sex. Anonymous, you were like a convenient snack. You know, it was great because he used to see at work and he didn't want to break up with you because how am I going to break up with her because I have to face her at work? And once he lost that job, he's like, yo, thank goodness. Now I don't even have to see her anymore. I don't have to see her face. I don't have to pretend anymore. Now that I've been, was he fired or did he resign?
He was fired.
Now that I've been fired, he probably... You know, for a man to say, when they fired me, it was a blessing.
It wasn't that he was fired. He was complained by me.
You are his supervisor.
No, I mean, coincidentally, he came to work drunk.
Okay.
So for some reason, our company doesn't allow that, like 0.00%. On alcohol. So that's what happened. I was just
Anonymous,
there to listen. It's not really me who made the things for him to be fired.
Anonymous.
Yeah.
People will call in and they will tell you how many of their colleagues are drunk right now. But they will not report them. Because
I didn't catch him. Remember, we have a securities at the gate, main gate. Then he blew red.
He blew
You
it.
what?
Like when you blew.
Hey, I thought you meant security. Oh, so they did a breathalyzer test at security. Like I know a lot of Transnet workers do that. They're never allowed to go to work drunk. They even breathalyze them in the morning and after lunch. So
it's just in the morning.
okay.
So he got there.
He blew it in the morning.
Yeah, bo.
And the security said, "Hey, wena, stop."
Baleta our results to me.
As the supervisor, and when as the supervisor, you were like, you didn't even get drunk with me.
Exactly.
And on top of, yeah, exactly.
Let's hold it there.
Yeah.
We're coming back. We still have Anonymous on the line. Anonymous, supervisor, you there?
Yeah, bo.
Okay. Naked, we were still going in there.
Okay. Then, yeah. So you were mad that he wasn't drinking with you. And he even had the audacity to show up to work late. Wenzeka kahle wena wamqosha yazi.
Indaba zama-long weekend lezi cabanga.
Oh, imagine. And he probably didn't even call you that whole long weekend, no?
No, bekakhuluma on Sunday we were together, lovely kunjalo. Then Monday it was a holiday, but I had to go to work. Then he decided to go la bekayikhona. Then after work we spoke around about 7. Then he said, I'm at home. Vele ungifonele ngefoni, like video call, sleeping. I thought umuntu lele, but kanti ulele kanjalo uphuze amanipho yini ngazi. Nakafika emsebenzini twini.
Okay. Now, I'm glad you mentioned rules at work, right? Now, on a serious note, as a human being, as a woman, you also have rules with what you want from a partner, right?
Yes.
And Anonymous, stick to those rules. Because when your partner breaks certain rules, then Kutso, say it with me, Tweedoo, he's got to go. At work, Anisho, you guys got rid of him because he broke those rules.
Yes.
Isn't that like a great example of how things should be? Even your relationship should be like that. Now, Anonymous, I know the kind of relationship I want. I know the kind, Kutso, you know the kind of relationship you want as well, right?
Correct.
And you work hard on that every day, but you work on it with your partner. And you can see which your partner is working with you. Now, Anonymous, if you're not loved the way you want to be loved, if you're not taken care of the way that you want to be taken care of, if you're constantly chasing, if your partner is constantly impregnating people out there, I'm not going to say to him, I'm not going to say to you that's not the relationship for you. But if you feel like you are overworking for nothing, for no returns, for no love, come on, Anonymous. That can't be the relationship that you want to be in.
But also, Naked, I wouldn't want to be in a relationship with someone who got me fired. Bruh.
Oh, that's why he doesn't want to see her face.
Bruh.
But what was she supposed to do?
Exactly. It was part of a process. I just needed to be there for when he gets a disciplinary.
Because now, if he didn't get fired, other people that are caught drinking, they were going to say, how? But supervisor, Tina.
Oh, because they know at work that they're together.
Exactly.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So she could have lost her job. Okay. So it's like what she's saying that, I mean, Anonymous, yes, we made fun of it, but we understand it's not your fault that he got fired. He was going to get fired.
Yes, either way.
You just had to be there. And he's even stupid enough to think that when you are going to find a way to save him. Right?
He knew that there was nothing I could do. Like those results, and you can't even tamper with them.
Exactly. So, Anonymous,
Okay.
Do you still want to be in this relationship? Yes or no?
Okay.
Yes or no?
No.
No, we're not even forcing you to say no.
Be honest.
Because if you want to be, maybe then we can try and see how we can salvage it. and advise you ukuthi
Not anymore.
okay.
Yeah. Uzwakele.
You're gonna be okay now?
Yeah, it's fine.
You sound very sad. Ungawari. Uyi-supervisor, I'm sure. Kunabanye ozobathola lapha emsebenzini.
Wow.
Abangangihlangana naye la semsebenzini yo
Yeah. You've learned your lessons now about dating at
Yes,
work.
I did.
Yeah. You're gonna be okay. Let's say I hope he's gonna be okay too, okay? And
Yeah, he'll be.
and that he'll
He's a
take
baby.
yeah, he'll
And the
also
baby,
take
yeah.
whose baby?
Don't they have a baby together?
Oh, you've got a baby together. I thought the baby was the
No.
other woman's child.
No,
Oh.
no,
Sorry.
I don't.
Oh.
No, I'm sure the baby was
And I
that
was not
other
even
woman.
planning to.
Yeah, wenze kahle wena. Yabo?
He has so
Yeah.
many kids. 3.
Yeah, no, good luck. All the best to you. All the best to him. We hope he learns ukuthi at work you can't just be after long weekends. Okay.
Yes.
Sharp, Anonymous. We
Love
love
you.
you.
We've got 4 minutes until we hit the top of the hour. What advice do you have for Anonymous? Let's head on over to the phone lines. We've got Ngobile out in the East Rand. Good morning, Ngobile.
Hi, Couscous.
How are you?
I'm great. Mapuna.
Hola.
Yeah, good, my man. We didn't know. At first, maybe most of South Africans would agree with me. At first, we were sympathizing with Anonymous. But later now we see good time, man. There is a great chance that Anonymous, now this guy, I got something next month. Sure. So I Anonymous I yegelele out in fact tholele ngithoy boy futhi as a supervisor.
Bana.
On to the next.
Ngobile.
Sharp.
Sure.
Let's head on over to the voice notes.
Good morning, family. Hope you're
Morning. Good and you.
Anonymous, rule number 1, never ever date at work. Never ever date at work, especially when you are the leader, a senior supervisor, manager. Never date your the employee. Never actually date at work. It's wrong. The reason why probably he went AWOL with you is because you were there on a disciplinary hearing, and he thought that you would protect him. So that's why he went AWOL with you. But you'll be okay, Anonymous. Bye.
Bye.
Yo, Anonymous. You used to be a convenience to this guy, and now you are definitely an inconvenience because it looks like he can't even get rid of you. Like usfagile, girl. Like usfagile. Utekentsite way too much, and now you're way in too deep, and unfortunately you are alone in this mess. This guy has a plan with his baby mama. The one that you keep on coming with excuses that hey, he doesn't want her. He's from the farms. She's from the farms. She's from the rural areas. This guy definitely knows where his heart belongs. So let me tell you something about guys. Guys never really take a woman who leaves their relationship serious to be with them. They don't. So Anonymous, wanyana supervisor, supervise your life. Balenga ngenyawo zimbili.
Naked, we got a comment coming through here from Chris saying, Kutso Naked DJ, you will also get us fired one day. We're at work, please. No advice for Anonymous. I'm good. Hashtag ask a man. Naked, in closing.
There's no relationship there, Anonymous. We're glad that you got to laugh with us today. But just move on and choose what you really want from life, from a man, from a relationship. It's all on you.
Nazo.